No, you can see the excitement of the media person. That itself is an evidence of the kind of achievement that has happened. It is indeed a vindication of the founding fathers of India's space program, Vikram Sarabhai, Satish Dhawan, and it was destined that this vindication of our founding fathers had to happen under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. And I say this with all the confidence in my command because the space reforms which were brought in the last few years not only enriched our resources but also gave tremendous confidence to our space experts, space scientists. And today India is no longer a follower. We are equal partners in all our collaborations. And I think it's borne out by the simple fact that of the 4 astronauts in the crew that has gone up, Subhanshu Shukla is possibly the most important because not only that he's a pilot, he's also going to perform 7 crucial experiments. And living up to the Prime Minister's mantra of Atmanirbhar Bharat, all these 7 experiments have been designed within India by the Indian institutes, by the Department of Biotechnology, by some of the IITs, by the Indian Institute of Sciences, Bengaluru. The kits have been provided from here, and these are going to be of vital importance to all the agencies across the world because they are going to work out the possibilities of habitat in microgravity situations, also the effects of microgravity on human beings, on living organisms. They are also going to be related to life sciences. How does the cognitive functions get affected when exposed to uninterrupted watching of computer screens? How does the muscles behave? And in case of muscle dysfunction, what are the strategies to be adopted to regain that? And what are also the effects which happen as a result of prolonged survival over there? So in case one has to sustain there for long, how do you manage that? And also some of the plant experiments. So this is going to also open a new chapter in our exploration of space, not only for India, for the entire world. And it's a matter of pride that India is going to be the torchbearer of this new chapter. And overall, I can say in a single sentence that India's ascent to that pedestal of Viksit Bharat has started via space.